Good morning from what we think is day 13. We're not sure. Could be 11. Could be 12. We're not sure. Mom's not wearing a Disney outfit today. You want to do outfit today? She's not. So we're going for breakfast at Chef Mickey's. I got Donald and Daisy in my head. And I got my Disney World top that I bought last trip in November. Blue Honor Active shorts. And my New Balance. And my Donald socks from Shein. Yay! And then me and Sarah go into the water park. Flumes. And then we're going to Boma for dinner. But first, Chef Mickey's. Because we had extra credits from our refunded Topolinos. So today, we're on the big back double buffet. I'm gonna explode by the end of today. Yay! So yeah. Here's my friends. Bye-bye. See you tonight. Come on!
Thanks for celebrating all your special moments with us.
You have to get one of Mickey sprinkles on the cupcake.
Who's my guy? That's what I thought.
Pluto!
Nice. Open.
Hello! The blurry. Good posing. Bye! Oh boy! Oh boy! Well, we've met them all. In about half hour we've met them all.
Check out the stairs, Jack. Do you want your crutch?
Full of breakfast and now on my way to Blizzard Beach. Not a good combo. Possibly gonna sink in the pool. Also, Contemporary is nice, but I don't think I'd ever stay here. It's not the best. We got a Daisy bus. Springs.
It might be raining until it's clear.
Typhoon Lagoon. Hi, thank you.
Aboard the Walt Disney World Transportation System, we are on our way to Disney's Animal Kingdom. For your safety and the safety of
Waited all trip for that.
remain seated while the motor coach is in motion. If you're standing, we encourage you to use the handrails overhead or to the side and remain clear of the doors and stairways.
Remain clear of the doors.
We ask that you refrain from eating, drinking, and smoking on board.
I'm eating.
And now, we invite you to relax and enjoy.
I'm going to relax now.
Thank you.
Thank you. Gracias.
10 out of 10. You can just about see Buzz and Slinky Dog. Oh look, Woody and Jesse. Blizzard Beach. Nearly blizzy time. Little baby. Oh, it doesn't look very busy. Back at the Blizzard Beach. Time to ride the lazy river for 8 hours. Yeah. Car park's very empty. Barely anyone here. Hopefully I'll just get all the tubes to myself. I love the vibes here. Oh, I forgot you have to get your ticket out. Dang it. Oh, the line. Thank you. See you on the slopes. Mom, see you on the slopes. Can't do my purse up. Help me. Nicholas is here. Worried someone will steal him, you know. He's valuable goods, babe. It's discontinued. He goes for millions on Vinted. Millions? Millions. Frightened. What if he gets stolen? Oh dear. Getting a towel.
Thank you.
Can I have one, please? Is that for me or just you? She's having two. Thank you. 2 towels? So greedy. Is that for your big butt? Yeah. Low flying gator.
Where's the kids' go? Around that way, isn't it?
I'm not sure. We're gonna get changed first though. I got my sneakers on in the blizzy.
Bit of a silly move.
Yeah. Right, we're off to ride the lazy river. Catch you later. Can't take this in there. It won't work. It'll break.
Where are you going to leave that one in then?
Oh, we're not getting a locker?
Isn't going to. You didn't bring anything else in.
I did. I'll get a locker. I don't want to get this robbed. The people will never know what happened if we get the camera robbed.
Would we even have been here?
Everyone will be distraught.
It will.
I'm famous, babe. Right, peace and love. Catch you on the other side. I can't speak. Sleigh bells.
What did the police...
We're back at Animal Kingdom and we're going for dinner tonight with our friends. And Ethan is 4 and he said he's bringing some jokes to dinner with us. So we are preparing some for him. So Sarah's going to tell you some jokes.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Boo.
Boo-hoo.
No need to cry. What did the policeman say to his tummy?
I don't know.
You're under a vest.
Do the other one. I liked that one.
What?
The one about the poodle.
What do you have to be careful about when it's raining cats and dogs?
They don't step in a poodle.
You knew the answer.
Well, I know the answer. You told me it.
You
did.
ruined it.
Next.
What do you call a bear with no teeth?
I don't know.
You do.
Oh, I'm allowed to answer this one. A gummy
A
bear.
gummy bear.
Next.
What do you call a fish with no eyes?
No, I fish.
An FSH.
Oh, that's a good bus. Nice. Yeah, bus spotting. No offence, but getting the transfer to Animal Kingdom to go to the water park is doing my head in. And we got here and the bus drove off. Oh, baby. Nicholas is bored.
Where the hell is my bus?
Where is my bus? Oh yeah, I want to get in that bus. Cinderella, Cinderella. Tell us another joke. One more. Okay, one more joke to end the sesh.
What about
Jokes for kids.
jokes for kids? What about
PG only.
What did the beach say when the tide came in?
I'm not sure.
Long time no see.
What runs but never walks?
Yeah, but that's not a joke, is it?
That's not really funny, is it? A river? Nah, that's rubbish.
What do you call cheese that is not your cheese?
Nacho cheese! That's an old joke. Got any other good ones? Or are you done?
How do trees go on the internet?
I don't know.
They log in.
Beaver, chop log. She's scrolling for jokes. Oh, bus is here. That's enough jokes. Bye. Ready to see what mousekeeping have done. Hope it's good.
Oh.
Oh, lame.
Right.
Well, it's better than Rex under the bed. Hello, friends. Hello, Mickey. Are you sleeping well? Yeah, that'll do. I just cracked this open. It's so strong. It's a Buzzball pink lemon squeeze. It's like pure alcohol. I could like breathe some fire if someone lit a match. Cheers. Cheers to the Animal Kingdom Lodge. Cheers to Boma for dinner. Nah, sorry. That's so strong. So.
Okay, we'll stay right here.
Wow. And a zebra.
Oh yeah, when everybody was singing. Yeah, we did Christmas.
All night, and we were singing and dancing.
Oh wow.
Yeah, the Messiah is who he is. His name is
We stayed back. It was 105
It was very
degrees.
hot.
Very hot. So they stayed us back. And I went and I think that was the impression of things to see the distance.
There's a second one there.
It's amazing how.
Oh, he's going. Wow.
Look, can you see it? It's a giraffe.
And a zebra.
And a zebra.
2 for 1.
And an antelope. Antelope there as well, look.
There's a bunny.
Coming over.
This one's coming over.
Well, I hope it doesn't go.
Look at them, they're galloping over there. Oh, this is better than the safari at Animal Kingdom, guys.
Can you see him?
Hey, King.
We've lost the shoe.
Hopefully not. Oh, wow, look, hello.
Say who's Jack?
Zebra. Hello.
Bimbo.
Another Bebo in the background.
She's literally trying to climb this.
Right, last bit version, then we'll get the stick from the lady.
Was that nice, Ethan?
Damn, girl! Ooh, damn! You like that? Put it on! Put it on, girl! Girl! Here she is! Show your that suits you so much.
Do you think that's not too?
That's nice. Oh.
I'm gonna get it. Angel.
Oh, girlsy new.
What was he doing?
What?
What was he doing?
Cabs are here. Cabs are here.
We're back.
Guys.
Say hey to see us coming.
She doesn't know where we are. Also, should I get this? Yes or yes?
Yeah.
Yes.
You need to get Winnie mate as well.
Show us the Winnie. Because we missed you. XOXO. Gossip girl.
Cabs here.
Cabs are here. Cabs are here. Shimon. What have you got there? Get away from Sam. Yeah. Two things. She hasn't seen the whole hole yet.
Cabs here.
Bye, Mom.
Right, let's find the.
We need a Winnie t-shirt. Oh, so. How do we feel about this? Wow, she pretty.
She's so nice.
She is nice. Insert B sticker. Oh, Chip. Is it Chip or Dale? I never know.
No, I don't know either.
Who's got the red nose? I'm not sure.
Is it Chip or Dale?
Guys, is that Chip or Dale? We will never know. Oh, Winnie bag. Surprised you ain't got that yet. Keep your head in the game. The mini bag's back. The Daisy. You like that?
Yeah, that's cute.
Yes, you can get your name embroidered on her. So I've heard.
It's cute. Would you get it?
Yeah, she's cute.
I wish they didn't Winnie though.
Everything should come in Winnie, please.
Thank you so much.
Walt, if you're listening. Did you buy the Winnie embroidered too? Oh, here's our boy.
Yeah, I did.
Winston!
Here's that boy.
Winston!
Cabs are here.
Oh,
Do you
wow.
like this?
Yeah, but I'm not sure I'd have any use for it.
No, same.
It's a bit nuts. That's a nice jumper. Wish I had it.
Yeah,
Do you wish you had that? Do you wish you had that?
Yeah, I do.
Oh my God, Tigger!
Oh my god, this is the first time I've seen this stuff.
Wow, is that new? Oh, there's a Tigger bag. Tigger's here.
Hello.
Wow.
Cabs here.
The wonderful thing about Tigger is, oh, I can see
Where's
it.
Sarah? Look, she's onto us.
Yeah, I'm here.
She's livid.
Think under you ladies under control.
Whoa.
So buy whatever the fuck you want.
Hey! He said buy what you want.
There you
We're
go.
free.
Green Winnie.
I think it's here, babes. Here he is. Sorry. Winston! Is that a yes or is that a yes?
That's stunning, isn't it?
That's nice.
This is the first time I've seen this.
I'm not sure.
I'm not sure about that.
I think she tried that on already.
Get Cabs here.
Cabs here. What's this doing here? Get out of town. Star Wars! I feel sick. Ooh! Right, shall we? And guys, I got a mystery trash can, and it's Star Wars.
Look, she looks like a Star Wars
Does
character.
anybody want to trade?
Oh!
Trade!
What? Can I just ask?
What will you do with it?
What the hell do you do with it? We're trashing it.
Mom doesn't get it.
Don't get it.
Cigarette box. Don't break it.
What is it? It's a bin. $15. It's a pile of. Honestly, I could do shit on the floor, put a flag in it with poo on it, and you'd fucking buy it for $50.
Oh, I got that on camera, yeah.
Good.
Done that one?
So you swap Mickey for Donnie now?
Yeah, we'll swap.
Whoa, I didn't agree to that. Yeah.
Technically I own it, so.
Yeah, technically. Yeah.
Yeah, lovely. Okay.
Oh, lightning! Is that you? Nice. Nice. You like that?
You like Star?
Angel, get yourself a present. You deserve it. You worked so hard.
You brought me a rock.
And he brought her the biggest rock I've ever seen. Wow, what about that shirt? That's quite fun. You could wear that to dinner. Ooh! You could wear that to golf. Oh, treat yourself. Oh boy. Sid,
What a treat.
did you get rained on?
You want a bid?
I like your shawl. Where you going?
Say, get back in.
Yeah, the cabs are here. The drop shop.
Sick of us.
So sick. The telly? Oh, look. Oh, it went. It looked like the opening of the Magic Kingdom. Oh, Dumbo. Yeah. We're going to the Animal Kingdom tomorrow, guys. We're gonna wear matching outfits. Don't tell my mom, but I bought the Winnie shoulder plush. Do you think she'll notice?
I don't think so.
I don't think she will. Oh, what you found, Peanut? An oil dispenser.
Castle, I think.
I'm not sure.
So cute.
My name's Russell. And I'm a weird. You can't get much juice in that.
How does it go, Angel?
That rocket. Oh, maybe you can. Oh. How good is the Epcot cookie jar?
Not many cookies going in that.
Nah, not much space.
I need my Lindor jar.
How would you even get that home?
You have it in your own buckets.
What, the Magic Kingdom for Lindor balls? That's nuts.
I need my ball holder.
Ball holder.
That's heavy.
Balls?
That's heavy. She said, nah.
What can I put balls in?
Whoa.
Yes.
No matters, Linda.
Yo! Oh, she's picking it up.
It would be nice though, wouldn't it?
That is my dream. I want that.
Yeah.
You like that?
Getty.
Oh, the balls are here. Oh, that's shiny. Damn. You like that? Yeah. Mom, are you excited to spend another day with us tomorrow?
I'm so excited.
Oh, that's so nice. Oh, Jumbo. Did you see Winnie the Pooh over there? Jumbo, Winnie. Wait till you see what outfit we have up our sleeves tomorrow, Mom.
Oh, we're gonna be matching.
Oh, are you excited?
We might have a little friend join us. And
There might be someone else joining. What? Who are you?
who are you? Team blue?
Or team red? Or team yellow? Ooh!
Red and yellow.
In other news, Happy Christmas! Happy Christmas!
Oh.
What? What did he say? What'd you say? What'd you say about us?
Put that camera back
Get that
on.
camera back on.
See you tomorrow, guys.
See you tomorrow,
See
friends.
you guys tomorrow. Take care.
Bye.
Bye-bye now.
Have a nice sleepies. Happy Christmas. Happy New Year. Mama,
When are we seeing them tomorrow?
we're going to the Animal Kingdom.
Oh, they're with us there as well.
Yes. Kill Surprise. Is everybody excited? Is anybody getting dinner at the resort?
No.
I
I can do a hot dog.
can do a hot
Are
dog.
you actually joking?
I'm just gonna go get my resort mug and bring it back
I
down.
don't know whether I'm just shut up my mouth and my bum's so much in my belly.
Sarah, what did you just say?
I can't eat anymore. I
Not the mouth, Doogie.
just can't eat anymore.
She got
Done.
Peanut, you in the window.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. That's crazy. I think the boat's gonna be busy. thank you for joining us today, guys. This is probably a very short vlog. We didn't really do a lot. We did Chef Mickey's, Blizzy Beach, Boma, Sprongs. Now we're going to bed. It's been raining. Are you enjoying the rain? Your hair looks a bit crazy. So yes, boat and bedtime. Getting the boat back with my mama to our hotel.
I don't think I want to be on camera anymore.
Not the armpit.
I don't want to be on camera anymore. I'm retired.
But this is your debut.
No, I'm retired now.
You're retired? Well, that's a shame.
French Quarter.
Yeah.
Yes, all right. We'll stop at French Quarter first and then Riverside after. Thank you. Oh, one more thing. Does anybody want to go back to Disney Springs tonight?
Still have not been on the King Trident slide. Something is wrong. It's pretty. Just like the Tiana movie. Isn't it? It is. Did you fall asleep watching that one the other night? I think we both fell asleep watching Princess and the Frog.
I didn't watch Princess.
Yeah, we did the other night.
I fell asleep.
Yeah, you fell asleep for
I
sure.
watched The Office for quite a while last night, and you fell asleep.
No, I watched the episode
every
where
now and then
at the
you went. No,
engagement
no,
party.
no. Every now and then you woke up and you went, and then you fell straight back to sleep again.
Stop it. Are you mocking me?
No, just telling the truth as it is.
I did see a few episodes.
No, I don't think you saw an actual
I watched the
episode.
engagement episode.
Not the whole episode.
Not the pre-wedding, not the engagement, the pre-wedding, where Jim and Pam get married. And he was doing the meme. Funny. That's funny. Oh, I do love it here. But you know, it's not looking positive. Gonna miss walking down here. Got my goodies. Ever seen any gators? I have. Looks very sinister, that one. Frightened. Hello? Hello there. Oh, I forgot you're retired. We can do movies. Tonight is Wednesday. Nothing. Princess and the Frog tomorrow.